Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the essentials. Log into Kaggle and download your API token so you can programmatically pull datasets. Once done, make sure Python and pip are installed and activate a virtual environment or conda-env to isolate packages. You'll also want to install Kaggle via pip. This lets you run Kaggle commands from your terminal. This first step gets credentials and environment ready, so you can fetch data and run notebooks without contaminating other projects. Next, fetch data and launch your code. You will place Kaggle JSON in the proper directory and set secure permissions. This authorizes the CLI. Then use Kaggle datasets download to pull files, or, alternatively, open a Kaggle notebook to avoid local setup. Install pandas, numpy, matplotlib, and scikit-learn in your environment so you can explore and model. Once the data is local or in the notebook, load it with pandas and inspect head, shape, and D types to plan cleaning and feature steps. Finish by training and submitting. Preprocess missing values, encode categorical features, and scale numeric columns before training so your model generalizes. You should validate with cross-validation and keep a holdout to check for leakage, then generate predictions and save a submission CSV with required columns. Use Kaggle competitions, submit to upload or push your notebook output to the competition. If something breaks, check API token placement, file permissions, and that package versions match the Kaggle runtime. Those fix most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.